Hi guys, so how are you all been doing? I know that this video is very late and I was supposed to post this video very early, like the moment I posted the skincare wala video. I wanted to post this video day after, but I couldn't because I've just not been doing very productive. I don't know, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा आलस आ रहा है, मुझे बिल्कुल भी productivity feel नहीं हो रही थी and I was just very tiring and I'm still very tiring, but at least I want to get out of that rut and I just want to try doing something which will make me productive. So I'm starting with this very small thing, and that is shooting my do's of YouTube. We are going to talk about SYJC. Yes, second year of junior college. So we spoke about FYJC in previous two videos, which you can go and watch if you have not, and if you are into FIGC or something. And we spoke about certain things, that what you can follow and what you should avoid according to my experiences. It is completely according to my point of view, my opinions, my experiences. I'm leaving everything on your judgment, but yeah, let's just begin with this video. So SYJC, so this class is going to be a literal game changer for you, for your personal growth, for what not, because it is going to literally get over within a blink. Trust me, because I don't even know that how fast SYJC got over, because I really miss SYJC a lot. So if you are into SYJC right now, if you are going to SYJC, this video is for you, because I'm going to tell you how you can make the most of your SYJC till Diwali, because I'm also going to tell you that what you should avoid doing so that you do not panic before boards like I did. First thing first, make memories like there's no tomorrow, because see, I'll just tell you one thing, SYJC is very different from FIJC, because see, in FIJC you didn't have any sort of knowledge about anyone or whatever, like junior college in terms. But now that you are into SYJC and you are also turning into a senior batch, you do have little bit of experience of what junior college looks like. If you had a blast in FIJC, I really think that this is the time that you have another blast, but to a certain point, and then you should be just focus on your studies and everything. But if you didn't have any blast in FIJC and you were like very isolated and just like me, so you need to make memories like there is no fucking tomorrow, because I'll kid you not, in SYJC you'll try to settle in, you'll just now you're more familiar with the people and all the energies around you, so now you will be very picky. Now you know किसके साथ तुम्हें दोस्ती करनी है, किसके साथ नहीं करनी है, किसके साथ तुम्हें वाइब करना है, किसके साथ तुम्हें जाम करना है. So now you know, if you already have a group, then enjoy, have a blast, make core memories, do whatever you like to, because trust me, हम लोगों ने इतने मज़े किए ना भाई SYJC में, आई कैनॉट इवन टेल यू. जितने मज़े हम लोगों ने FIJC में नहीं किए थे ना, लाइक आइसोलेटेड होके भी, उतने मज़े हम लोगों ने SYJC में किया है. एंड लाइक आई किड यू नॉट, मेरी अटेंडेंस FIJC में जितनी थी उसकी लिटरली हाफ मेरी अटेंडेंस SYJC में थी, जो कि उल्टा होना चाहिए कि मेरी FIJC में कम होनी चाहिए और मेरी SYJC में ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. बट आई वाज लाइक यार ठीक है, लास्ट ईयर है GC का, तो आई नीड टू मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. लिटरली इफ समवन टोल्ड मी दैट इफ आई कुड पे टू गो बैक टू रीलिव दोज मोमेंट्स, take my money, like legit, do take my money. I really want to relive all those moments that I had with my group and most of the people that I enjoyed, specifically my juniors. Second, the art of bunking and canteen diaries. Oh god, like I cannot even tell you, we used to, like our group used to intentionally bunk lectures just to sit in the canteen, and we used to jam up with all those degree colleges wale people. Like literally they used to come in the canteen and they used to sing a song, and we used to vibe and all, and it was so good. I cannot even explain. Like I get so happy when I think about all those moments, because I really want to relive that specific timeline. Okay, so here I'm not influencing that you should always bunk your lectures, but it's just that have a time of your life, because I really think that अगर तुम उसको, as I said in my previous videos, that if you're having enjoyment to a certain extent, that is completely all right, like make the most of it. But if you cross that boundary, then that is a problematic thing. But if you know what your boundaries are and what your limitations are, then just go for it. I kid you not, you're going to remember all these moments. Like our group owned the canteen. Like it was really something, हमारा घर बन चुका था, हमारा अड्डा बन चुका था कि कभी भी कुछ भी होना है कैंटीन में होगा, कोई किसी का कॉल नहीं उठा रहा कैंटीन में होगा ये इंसान. लाइक इट वॉज आर ओनली अड्डा. वी मेड सो मैनी मेमोरीज इन द कैंटीन एंड इतने अनएक्सपेक्टेड एडवेंचर्स तक वो कैंटीन का जो बंकिंग सेशन था वो हमें लीड कर जाता था कि भाई हम कुछ भी करते थे. पता है लाइक लिटरली हम लोगों ने पूरा कॉलेज एक्सप्लोर कर लिया. लाइक ऐसी ऐसी जगह एक्सप्लोर कर ली जो पता भी नहीं था कि भाई एग्जिस्ट करती है इस कॉलेज में. एंड लाइक पता नहीं क्या क्या किया हमने, बिल्लियों के बच्चों को रेस्क्यू किया एंड ऑल दैट शिट. It was crazy. Like it was crazy. At least we were not doing drugs and our parents should be proud of that. Moral of the story is कि do not bunk all the lectures. Like you know you can bunk ऐसा like 2 से 3 lectures. Like हमारे specifically 6 से 7 lectures होते थे, तो हम लोग 2 से 3 अगर मिस भी कर देते थे जिन subjects में हम लोग को इतना ज़्यादा वो नहीं था कि हाँ चलो ठीक है easy भी और इतना है भी नहीं, वो हम skip कर देते थे. And जो subject हमें लगता था कि नहीं यार इसमें attendance ज़रूरी है and इसके हमें notes चाहिए, इसमें हमें पढ़ना है, तो वो हम अटेंड करते थे नो मैटर व्हाट. सो या बी डिसिप्लिन्ड बट मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. थर्ड, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज. इफ यू डिड नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन any of the events or you even participated in one, like if you feel like you know left out, this is a shot. There were events in my nature's club, so like we used to go to treks and all, so all that was very fun. Okay, but like events, like genuine events of the college, I missed all those things because I was like वाली ऐसी थी मैं. But now then I look back, I really think that I जो करना चाहिए था, मुझे participate करना चाहिए था. And बहुत मज़ा आता है यार, भले ही नहीं जीते या फिर कुछ भी होता है यार, मेमोरी तो बन जाती. फेस्ट हो गया, डिबेट हो गया, डांसिंग कंपटीशन हो गया, फैशन शो हो गया. ओके सो फैशन शो की बहुत एक अलग किस्सा है, बहुत अलग किस्सा. इफ यू वांट अ स्टोरी टाइम फॉर दैट आई कैन मेक. and there's something for everyone. Okay, so you need to specifically choose कि तुम्हारे लिए कौन सा बेस्ट है. लाइक अगर तुम्हें डांस नहीं भी आता है ना, तुम अपने ग्रुप के साथ जाओ, बंदर नाच करो, कुछ भी करो, जस्ट पार्टिसिपेट एंड enjoy the most of it. भाई ऑडियंस को इतना एंटरटेन कर दो ना कि मतलब यू नेवर नो, तुम भले ही ना जीतो लेकिन एंटरटेनमेंट तो हो गया, लोग तुम्हें जान तो गए. मेकिंग नेटवर्क्स विद पीपल best in the college. Because for me, in my SYJC spectrum, which was also held in my FYJC, so this is like एक event types होता है जिसमें as I said debates, dance and everything, fashion show वगैरह होते हैं. So this was something that changed my entire life in SYJC. Okay, the excitement, the teamwork, the late night preps, the late night talks, the night outs, what not. We used to literally jam up with the juniors and I kid you not, it was a blast. So if you are someone who is very isolated person like me, I think that this is a shot for you because you never know. One event can change you and introduce you to new people, new experiences, and it can maybe even change your entire life. If you know, you know.